Yo, what's up guys? Today we're back at it again with a new stock review video. Today we're gonna talk about Coca Cola. Right here, Coca Cola. Yes, so we see that the stock went down for a bit, but that's ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. Let's go hit the wedge zones right here. Boom. And another one around here, I will say, or even here. Boom and mail. Okay, so guys, what we see, we're busy with the 4-hour chart. Yeah, so let's dig further into the chart. What we see here, so the stock went down for a bit, around, I don't know, 5% or 10% down from a couple of previous week, I say. The chart hit the wedge zone, the resistance zone, the lower higher low. What does that mean? That means the chart will go up probably, like we see here. So let's, like always, get some resistant areas around here. Boom. This is a resistance area, maybe a bit further up. It's good right here. Now we check if so. Now we drew the resistance areas. You see the chart hit a great resistance area over here. You can see here and here the stock didn't go up right here or under, and it hit it. Plus it hit the higher low, the wedge zone. So what I think is, you already know, guys, stock, if it don't break through, well, it won't. I think it will go up and hit this area around here. If it don't hit, it breaks, it bounces back to here and will go here and will probably go through. But is one of the easiest charts to understand, you know. We can see at the RSI scanner that it's oversold. It's under the 30, and you already know what that means. That means it will go up until the 70 probably, like always. So from here on, delete this, from here on, otherwise it will go up, boom boom boom, till here, otherwise it will go up like here. But wait, we see a other resistance zone around here. Boom. So what stock will do is, if it reaches this point, it go either two ways again, bounce back off till here and return and breaks through here, or it will immediately break through these two zones. Okay boys, I hope you in Coca Cola. It's a great dividend qua pricing and qua dividends. I hope you are in this stock, because it's an amazing stock. I got so much profit of it. So yeah guys, you see right here, you will make money if you buy it, for sure. Like and subscribe, and yeah, let me know in the comments what you want to see in the next video, in the next stock review. I'm always daily uploads, you know what I'm saying. Alright guys, see you later, till next time, and